So part of moving halfway across the world is having to deal with the chaos of starting over from scratch. That's most evident in our kitchen area. Our main drawer here is just a catch-all for everything. So we had to buy new knives, new spatulas, there's takeout straws, chopsticks. It's a mess. So with limited funds, we are in absolutely need of a solution. Where do we go? Luckily, there's a solution based on the gridfinity system from Zach Friedman of Voidstar Labs. We have this generator here that actually allows those of us with low-level CAD ability to actually create full CAD files for our projects. It's broken up into 3 sections: general boxes, our base plate, which is the core to our system, and specialty cutouts. We have some preloaded files here, so we're going to go straight to our base plate, and you can see how modular it is. We've got our sliders for our millimeter-based system, so each unit within the grid can be adjusted, as well as the overall grid size. Then it's just a matter of saving and exporting the file, and it's good to go and send to your slicer of choice to print. Similarly, you can do the same thing with the individual boxes. You can adjust the height of the box, how many units it takes up, and the overall size of the structure. So once you've got all those dialed in, you can do the same thing. You can save those as separate files, and then pick whatever file format your printer works with and export. So here we are in the slicer. We've set up a full project with all of our things chopped up for the grid. Some objects you might need to actually go into your slicer and divide it up to fit your plate. As we did here, we divided up our grid into 4 sections, and we had 2 boxes that were really long. So those are going to be like our knives boxes and stuff. And then we load it up and we send it off to print. And here we are with our final product. That was our gridfinity build. So if you'd like to help support us with showing more projects as we rebuild our life here outside the United States, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Also go to our Patreon. Every little bit helps, like I said. And hopefully we'll get more cool projects going. Thank you so much for your time, and see you later.